videos.
Amsterdam is a city that is renowned for its beautiful canals, charming architecture, and vibrant cycling culture. The city is home to over 881,000 people and attracts millions of tourists each year. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards sustainable transportation, with more and more people opting to cycle instead of drive. This has led to an increased demand for safe and secure bicycle parking facilities, particularly in the city center. Construction on this garage began in 2018 and was carried out in conjunction with other construction projects for Entree. This cutting-edge facility is the first ever underwater bicycle parking garage in the world, with the capacity to store over 7,000 bicycles. The underground bike parking garage is equipped with various conveniences. Starting from Prince Hendrikade, there are 3 side-by-side escalators that take you down to the basement. There is also a staircase for those who are in a hurry to pick up their bike. The garage is also equipped with state-of-the-art security features, including video surveillance, access control systems, and anti-theft devices, ensuring the safety and security of bicycles stored inside. At the basement of the parking garage, you find a bicycle repair shop. The presence of a bicycle repair shop near the garage entrance is a great convenience for cyclists. It is reassuring to know that if you encounter any issues with your bike while commuting or parking, you can easily get it repaired without having to go to a different location. The convenience of having a repair shop at the entrance of the garage also means that you can get your bike fixed quickly, as you can leave it for repair as soon as you arrive. Additionally, having a bike repair shop nearby promotes cycling as a sustainable mode of transportation, as it offers an additional incentive for people to cycle instead of using cars or public transport. Here you can observe the check-in system, which utilizes the public transport card or a mobile phone. This technology has been implemented in various transportation systems in Amsterdam, including trams, buses, and metro lines. The garage boasts a unique feature where the architects have incorporated historical pictures of the city into the main corridor's light ceiling. The expansive main corridor leads directly to the metro and central railway station, providing easy access for commuters. The rows of bicycle racks are conveniently numbered, as indicated on the white pillars, making it easy for users to locate their bikes. Additionally, green lights are strategically placed to indicate the availability of free spots in each row, ensuring a hassle-free parking experience. Here we see the depiction of the chronological urban development of Amsterdam based on historical maps. In the early centuries, the city was centered around the Amstel River and its growth was limited by the city walls. However, in the 17th century, The city expanded beyond its original boundaries with the construction of new canals and the development of new neighborhoods. In the following centuries, Amsterdam continued to grow and modernize, with new infrastructure projects, such as the construction of Central Station and the widening of canals, transforming the city's landscape. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Amsterdam's urban development had extended beyond the single gracht, with the construction of new housing developments and the expansion of the city's industrial areas. In the 1920s and 1930s, new suburbs were built to the south and east of the city, and the construction of the Zuiderzee works in the 1930s led to the reclamation of land from the sea and the creation of new polders. During the 1940s, the city suffered significant damage during World War II, with many historic buildings destroyed or damaged. In the post-war period, efforts were made to rebuild and modernize the city, with the construction of new housing developments, office buildings, and infrastructure projects, such as the Schiphol Airport and the Amsterdam Rhine Canal. By the 1950s, Amsterdam had become a modern and bustling city, with a population of over 700,000 people. The city's urban development had transformed its landscape and infrastructure, with canals, roads, and buildings reflecting the changing needs and aspirations of its inhabitants. The garage also offers space for the rental of 1,250 public transport bikes OV bikes. Currently, these bikes are still equipped with an old-fashioned lock, but according to the manager, new OV bike locks with the new key system will be available soon, so that your OV chip card will serve as the bike key. The Fietsenstalling in Amsterdam houses the stunning graffiti or murals, which are often overlooked by tourists. The dynamic images within the murals capture Amsterdam's rich history and culture, painted in 1954 by artist Lex Horn. The Dutch bicycle racks with 2 stories, also known as double-decker bike racks, are a type of bicycle parking system that allows for more efficient use of space in areas with high demand for bicycle parking. These racks consist of a metal frame with 2 levels of bike racks stacked on top of each other, allowing twice as many bikes to be parked in the same space as a traditional single-level bike rack. To use the double-decker bike rack, a cyclist simply rolls their bike onto a metal tray at ground level and then pulls down on a lever, which raises the tray and their bike up to the upper level of the rack. The system uses a pulley and counterweight system to make it easy to lift even heavy bikes. The double-decker bike rack has become a common sight in the Netherlands, particularly in cities such as Amsterdam and Utrecht, where cycling is a popular mode of transportation and space is at a premium.